Are you afraid of those headphone earbuds getting stuck in your ear? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to take a look at the B1 wireless earbuds from truefree. These are open earphones, so they don't have the little earbuds that can get stuck in your ear. They sound fantastic, and as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at these truefree B1 wireless earbuds. These are open ear earbuds, so right there you'll see a different design than the ones you just lodge in your ear, but let's look at the packaging. Looks very nice, lots of information on here, but let's open it up. We have this protective foam in the case right here, so very nice. We've got our app sign up kind of information here. We've got our user guide here as well. Very nice. Looks like we've got multiple different languages in it, so that's always a plus. Looks like we have a USB-C cable to USB-A, so always great to get extra cables there. This should be used for charging the earbud. And the device itself, right here, we got a little QR code for the warranty, so very nice. And here it is, everybody. Very, very cool. We've got our USB-C on the back right there for charging. Open it up. Wow, look at that. These look very nice, very sturdy. Got two of them right here. Let's go ahead and pull them out. For the people that love this, peel the sticker off. You're welcome. These are our truefree B1 wireless earbuds. Wow, look at them. Super cute. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Adorable. Get a closer look of everything, nice and close right there. Very, very cool. So it looks like we've got a little magnetic strips on the bottom there for plugging it up and charging. Looking at the case here, it looks like we have our magnetic prongs here for the earbuds to sit in and charge. Looks like we got left and right. So left is white and right is red. And what is very cool is the colors are also on the devices as well. So you'll actually see red right and left white. Very, very cool. The case looks very nice and sturdy. So let's go ahead and drop these in. Right there and right there. Very cool. Looks like the light comes on, letting you know it is charging. Very nice. Let's go ahead and try this out.
This is the truefree B1 open ear wireless earbuds. Open ear design with secure fit. The truefree B1 wireless earbuds feature an innovative open-ear clip-on design that rests outside your ear canal, offering breathable, pressure-free comfort. Crafted with skin-friendly liquid silicone hooks and weighing just 5 grams per earbud, they provide a secure, slip-resistant fit ideal for all-day wear. Immersive spatial audio with deep bass. Powered by a 10.8mm dual magnetic drivers, the truefree B1 open earbuds deliver twice the richness of standard models. High carbon fiber diaphragm and dynamic balancing tech produce crystal clear highs, deep bass, and immersive 360-degree panoramic surround sound. All-day battery life and water resistant, get up to 25 hours of total playtime. That's 5.5 hours per charge, plus 19.5 hours with the case. A quick 10-minute charge gives 1 hour of use. With an IPX4 rating, these clip-on earbuds resist sweat and light rain, perfect for workout, commutes, or outdoor use. Minimal sound leakage and Bluetooth 5.4, the truefree's audio technology 2.0 uses directional sound holes and reverse sound wave cancellation to reduce sound leakage by up to 98%. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures fast, stable pairing and low latency audio across all your devices. Custom sound with the truefree app. Take full control of your listening experience. Use the truefree app to adjust EQ presets, customize touch controls including volume, and reset your earbuds with ease through an innovative interface. I have to say, truefree, the B1 open ear wireless earbuds are genius. The app is awesome. These things look good and feel good. Great job. This is our first time working with truefree, and I've got to say these earbuds are mwah, mwah, mwah. They're nice. I'm a huge fan of the open earbuds right now. It reduces risk. They sound great. It's just another sign that we're living in the future. We want to give a huge shout out to truefree for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.